She's recording right now.
Oh.
Alright.
Hey, Visance.
Michael here.
Today, we're gonna be making slime. Slime. It's this child's birthday today. So,
Remember last time we did the birthday?
Sorry. This person right here is a slime alcoholic.
What do you do first?
Okay.
What do we do first?
Glue.
Can I put it in the bowl?
Yeah, all of it. Go.
Bitch, I'm gluing. Oh. Oh, it smells. Hey, stop it. I'm still squeezing.
Stop it!
Can we make it blue?
Yeah.
No. Because your hands are going to be dyed blue.
No.
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 Yes.
We should put glitter in it.
We have no glitter! Hold on.
I like this color thing.
Gotta stir it all.
Get the sides. It's like baking a cake, except I can't eat this or else I'm going to die. But I'm over it.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
Go.
We both know you're never overeating.
Go.
Put the food dye in.
Are you calling me
Fat? We need to have the activator now, slowly.
water?
Water and
I got it,
borax.
kiddos. Screw off.
It's
my time to shine.
Okay, only a little at a time. That's good.
Oh my god, don't have a seizure.
It's not doing it.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is.
Look at this.
it.
Are you blind?
Do
See?
anything. Yes,
One day older and she's blind already.
You
What?
need to add more.
I didn't get blind when I turned 15.
Clearly you are because you got glasses on.
I've had this since I was in 3rd grade.
You know, Grace, then you've been blind since 3rd grade. You don't need to age. You're already aged.
You probably need to add more borax.
So
Go ahead, borax!
could not refresh.
You want some herm lotion?
It takes a while
See,
to
look
make.
at that. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna come back like a boomerang. Ooh, oh, whoa.
For what?
You just wrecked your own slime. Dude.
No. It's coming together. This is
I'm coming back like a boomerang.
Oh, bitch, you're the one that I text nobody right now. This is why I don't make YouTube videos, because I forget where shit. I mean, if you put it all into one thing, it should, like, come together because borax is surrounding it. You know what I mean? Well, if I brush my hair, then it gets all frizzy and goes all the way over here.
See, look at slime is coming.
Aw, he's typing.
Oh my god.
You do what?
That's when you said you
hate him 1 minute, and
No.
then the next minute.
Oh,
No, it's not done yet. Hello. Oh God, gosh!
Oh, oh.
That was way too much, Grace.
It looks good.
No,
Yeah.
it's not. It's sticking to me. Does it look like it's good?
So it's not gonna stick to me?
No, watch this.
Oh, he better answer. He told me to call.
Oh my god.
Isn't
It's stuck to my nails. Ew, it's like really sticky though.
No, it's not. That means your hands are warm.
We're gonna do our little satisfying video now.
Stop! Grace.
Here, hold this. I got him.
Okay, I'm calling him now.
Alright, okay, Grace, hold the thing. Oh my god, okay.
Can I play with it?
I wanna make a
Okay,
bubble.
we made slime, and they're playing with the slime.
This is your idea, Katie. Your idea.
My idea to make slime,
You bought it with your money! No, my god.
and then I bought more stuff because he gave me a lot of money. It's still sticking to my hand.
Just give it time. I told you guys to
No.
give it time. No, don't put it back in the water. Don't do anything with it.
No, you need to let it sit for like 2 minutes.
That's what I said. You need to give it time.
Okay, put it
Can you
back in
peel
the
this
bowl.
off of me?
Oh my god.
Don't just
Put it back in the bowl.
Okay,
Stop touching it.
guys, stop touching it.
Put it back in the bowl.
Guys, okay, then put your hand in the
Oh
slime.
my
and
god,
simmer
you're
it off.
over dramatic.
Bring me the. I gotta unplug my phone quick.
You
can just put
there's
your phone
something
down.